Chestermere. Why would you live here? Well, it's a beautiful lake town just on the east side of Calgary that has loads of shopping, schools. It's an expanding community, as well as having parks like this right close by. Family orientated? Check. You're not going to want to miss my brand new listing here in Chestermere with this right across the way and a 2-bedroom illegal basement suite opening the door to affordability. Don't miss out. Let's take a look. Are you ready to see one of my favorite parts? In a property of this size, it's quite rare, and it's actually where I'm standing. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, illegal basement suite. So if you're worried about a high mortgage payment, don't worry, because this will help keep money in your pocket, opening the door to affordability. Ready to move in yet? Let's take a look at the rest. Are you ready to move in yet? If you want more information on your new home, my information's below. Give me a call, or if you just want to see crazy property tours, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.